I bought this machine to repair discs called the Elm Eco Pro, Elm Eco Pro 2. It was about cost me about 1,200 Canadian, but it was on Black Friday sale. Typical price is 1,900 US dollars, so pretty good deal after all. But this Wii game I found is absolutely, I doubt that even works. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, I paused it now. Press start. All right, it is out. Took 30 seconds, and let's take a look. Wow, look at that. That is awesome. Just for one round, I could probably give it a second go to be honest, but I think that should be good enough to get it going.